Hi. Continuing presenting the phenomena from the previous video, let's dig deeper into the pain of paying. Part 1. What is the pain of paying? The pain of paying refers to the negative emotions we feel when making a purchase. Neurologists discovered that the same brain regions activate when we spend money as when we feel physical pain. To understand this concept better, we need to look at how we make decisions. People in general are loss averse, which means we try to avoid losses whenever possible. Losses are usually perceived as more powerful than equal gains, so losing $50 is more painful than winning the equal amount. This idea is part of the prospect theory, pioneered by Amos Tversky and Daniel Kahneman. So, if we naturally avoid losses, what does that mean for the way we spend money? Part 2. How to recognize it. Paying with cash often feels more painful than paying with a card. Our brain treats spending like a loss, and when we literally see and feel the cash leaving our hands, the effect is more real and harder to ignore. Because of this, we're less likely to waste cash on unnecessary. Part 3. Case studies. Let's look at some everyday situations where the pain of paying is easy to spot. Example 1. The method of payment matters. Paying with cash feels heavier than with a card. To reduce the effect, try being more mindful when using a card, or stick to cash for better control. Example 2. At restaurants, it can help if just one person pays for the group. This removes the unpleasantness for the others, and by taking turns, everyone enjoys both the role of the guest and the satisfaction of covering the bill for the group. Example 3. This one is a common occurrence when we fuel our car. Watching the meter climb creates a vivid reminder of every cent being spent, which feels more painful than just paying the final amount. Example 4. Subscriptions or automatic payments often reduce the pain of paying because the charge happens in the background. For instance, streaming services or gym memberships don't feel as painful since the money leaves your account automatically, sometimes making you forget you're even paying. Example 5. Splitting payments into smaller installments, like buy now, pay later services, can also reduce the pain. Each payment feels lighter than paying the full price up front, which is why so many companies use this strategy to encourage purchases. Though this scheme might not be beneficial if we have several installments, if you want to learn about the advantages and disadvantages of this system, let me know in the comments. Part 4. How to use it to your advantage. If you want to save more effectively, the simplest step is to pay with cash whenever possible. Daily budgeting feels more real when cash is involved, because you can literally see your money leaving your hands. Another useful strategy is to prepay for services or experiences. An all-inclusive trip or a prepaid dinner often feels more enjoyable because the financial pain is behind you, leaving only the experience itself. Plus, anticipation adds extra satisfaction. A third tool is the 24-hour rule. Before making a bigger purchase, wait one day. This cooling off period helps avoid impulse buys. Finally, try reframing purchases by asking yourself, if I don't buy this, what am I really losing? This simple shift makes the trade-off clearer and helps filter out unnecessary spending. By using these techniques, the pain of paying can actually become a helpful tool, protecting you from overspending and guiding you towards smarter financial decisions. See you in the next video.